Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video, and this is kind of going to be like a collective haul. I got some stuff from Ulta, I got some stuff from Amazon, and I got some stuff from Marshalls. So if you guys want to see what I got from all these places, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first product that I got is this winter coat jacket. It is like this pretty yellow mustard color. It has a nice furry hood. I freaking love it. Now before I purchased this, I was dying to get a Sherpa jacket, but I went to Target with my boyfriend and we found this really nice sky blue one. They had one in a teddy color and I tried them on and he said that they kind of look ugly on me and it just isn't for me. So I took his advice and I just dropped the want for it. I mean, I still want it, but if it doesn't look right, I'm not going to waste my money on it to look stupid. So I got this from Marshalls and it was on clearance for $24, and let me tell you, honey, this thing keeps me warm. So it has a pocket here, it has two pockets like on the bottom, and then it has this thing to cover the zipper, which makes it look really nice and clean. It has some drawstrings to make it tight around the waist. And then on the inside, which is my favorite part, the inside has fur on the inside. Not all throughout, like some parts like the back and the arms have fur on them. So I'm completely in love with it. I will try to put a couple of pictures up while I'm discussing or describing the jacket, so you guys can see how I wore it and how it looks on me. I absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite finds from Marshalls, and it was again on clearance for $24. But I will say this is a size large, and if you guys know, or if you don't know, you will now know, I am a 40 double D in bra, and it is a bit tight on my chest area, so I would most likely have to wear it up or zip it up until my chest. I mean, I don't really care how it looks. If I look flat chested, I don't really care. So if I'm really cold, I will zip this all the way up to my neck if I have to. But that is the only con for me. So yeah, I am super happy with that purchase. So let's move on to everything else. Okay, so since we started with Marshalls, we might as well finish. So the next thing that I found at Marshalls is this Nars bronzer. I got this for $4.50, and I want to say it was on like clearance because it was out of the box, but I opened it and it was not swatched. As you can see, it is in perfect shape. So I just tried peeling off the sticker to see the shade name. I'll take off the rest later. But this is the bronzer in Laguna, and it is such a beautiful shade. I am a bit scared that it's going to be a bit too light for me, so I might have to use it as a contour or maybe an eyeshadow. But overall, I'm hoping that it works for me, and it's a really beautiful bronzer. Like, I love the design in it. It just looks really, really gorgeous, and I'm obsessed with the Nars packaging. It's like a really nice matte, and I don't really need the carton because it was just going to go in the garbage anyway, so I definitely purchased it. So the next thing I got from Marshalls were lashes. I did just make a huge order from Shop Miss A, which I will do a separate video on. But when I saw these, I was like, these look really good and affordable. Yeah, sign me up, sis. This is from the brand Kala, and these are their 3D faux mink weightless volume and curl lashes. They're cruelty-free, and they're multi-dimensional lashes, and these style Bossy, and I found these for $3.99. These look amazing. I cannot wait to try them. My only thing with these is that I don't really like lashes that are all one length, and as you can see, they don't really get short on any of the corners, so we will see. And if I have to, I can just trim them, you know, to go shorter. But they looked really pretty, so I snagged them up real quick. And then the last thing I got from Marshalls, well, I got something else from Marshalls, but I'm going to save that for a nail haul video. But as far as makeup, this is the last product. I got this Revolution, or Makeup Revolution highlighter, and I want to say the shade is called Champagne Kiss, but I guess this is from their Skin Kiss line, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. The pan is freaking huge, and this might be a bit too light for me, but wow, Do you see that? That is amazing. Well, stay tuned for my first impressions on this in a first impressions / trying new makeup video. And I got that for $2.99. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already, but yeah, $2.99. So then let's move on to Amazon. I only got one thing from Amazon, and then we move on to my favorite, which is Ulta. So I got this Real Techniques by Sam and Nick powder brush. It says it's for powder and bronzer, and that it performs 2 times better than prestige brand brushes, I guess. It's a face brush. It says YouTube's #1 makeup tool brand. We'll see about that. And I found this on Amazon for like less than 10 bucks, which I think is a steal. And this brush looks really, really nice. Now I got this because I watched this girl on YouTube. Her name is, or her channel name is Dollface Lyric. She uses a brush like this for blush, and they did have the blush brush, which I do plan on purchasing soon. But when I saw this, I was like, ugh, I love bronzer brushes. So I wanted to try it, and it is really, really soft, and it's really comfortable in the hand. So I cannot wait to try this. It's really nice quality, not too heavy, not too light. So super excited. And I guess it's the 201 brush because it says RT, Real Techniques, and then 201. So yeah, this is really soft and nice. I like it. Okay, so I have my Ulta box right here. So let's get right into it. So the first product is from Makeup Revolution. I really wanted their clear one because that one looked so good, but they were out of stock. So this is their Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss with vitamin E. And I have this in the shade Sauce, which looks like a mauve color. So this looks really, really pretty. And I'm thinking this might be a dupe for the Fenty like Gloss Bomb. So let's see if it has a scent. Oh, this smells like, ew, why is this so stringy? This smells like peppermint gum. Okay, so this is like really pigmented. I just swatched it, and there's the swatch, but it does have like a nice shine to it. So I have high hopes for this. I have really high hopes for that. So then I got another gloss. This one is from Ulta Beauty. I already have one, but I wanted to try their version of a clear because I thought it was clear, but now having it in my hand, there's definitely some shimmer in there. So this is their Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss in the shade Sugar. And as you can see, there's definitely like sparkle in there. So this one also has like the brush applicator, which I just assumed that it would. That looks really, really pretty. It has like flecks of blue sparkles or glitter. I don't know, but I'm super excited to try this one. The next thing that I got is from NYX. This is their Line and Load. It's basically a 2-in-1 lippy. So you're supposed to be able to use this as a lip liner and then as a regular like liquid lipstick. And I have mine in the shade Ride or Die, which is a nice brown. So this is what it looks like. It's nice and sleek and skinny. I already love the packaging. It smells like regular lipstick. And I thought this was going to be more brown. This is kind of like a brick maroon type of shade. I do see how you can be able to use this as a liner because the applicator is very thin. And yeah, that is what the color looks like. And I think I can make this work either way. I do like shades like this, just not my favorite. Then I got a backup because this was like a free product with all the Revolution stuff. Like if you spent a certain amount of money on Makeup Revolution products, you can pick a free lip liner. So I got a backup of my favorite brown liner from them in the shade Glory. You guys know I love me a good brown liner, so I had to get a backup. And then there was another like sale or a coupon or whatever that you get a free NYX highlighter and bronzer palette if you spent a certain amount of money on NYX products. So this is the NYX highlighter and bronzer palette. It says Makeup Crew on it. I don't know if that's what the palette is called, but this is the packaging. Well, I guess this is just called the highlighter and bronzer palette because this is the actual palette and it doesn't have any like name on it. So let's see what these shades look like. And it also doesn't come with a mirror, which kind of sucks, but I can definitely use this as a contour or bronzer, both of these shades. I can mix them together and use them. And then these three are highlighters, so let's just see what they look like. Those are really pretty. They do feel a bit dry, so I would just be careful with that, but they seem to be really pretty colors. So I think I could wear all three of these highlighter shades, so I'm super excited about this palette. And again, it was free, but I think it originally retails for $15 if I'm not mistaken. So again, stay tuned for that full face of first impressions. Then I got this new foundation that NYX released because everyone's been raving about it, like Juicy Jazz, and I think her name's Andrea Renee. I watch her, love her channel as well. So this is the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. It has 1 fluid ounce and this is in the shade Golden. It is really small. Again, when I watch other people review products, it looks so much bigger on camera for some reason. So let's swatch this. It does come with a nice little seal. So that is it right there. And I think this is gonna be a good match for me. I don't know, we'll see when I try it in the first impressions, so hopefully it does work for me, but right now it looks like a good match. Not perfect, maybe a bit too dark, but it does definitely come off as luminous. You can even see it in the swatch, so super excited for that. And the last product that I got from Ulta and in this haul in general is probably gonna be my favorite. I have high hopes for this because everyone says you need this in your collection. Wow. So it is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray. The packaging on this box is super pretty. It's like black and purple specks of glitter. So I got the rose scent. And this is what it looks like. It has like a pink tint to it, I guess because it's the rose one. Again, this is like, it's not super small, but it looks a lot bigger on camera if I'm not mistaken. But I'm super excited about this. I'm really tempted to use this right now. So I guess you just turn it like this and then spray down. So let's see. Actually, I'm gonna... Oh, that smells good. I want to make sure that I'm not gonna like spray my face, so... So that was really nice and refreshing. I will test it more in my trying new makeup video or first impressions or whatever I call it. I will put this to the test in that video. So that is everything in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you like. Comment down below if you want to see me try something specifically, or if there's something that you have. What are your thoughts on it? Drop a comment down below. You guys know I love reading your comments and writing back to you guys, because who doesn't love to conversate with their family, you know? So on that note, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I'd love to have you guys join the Rose family, and hit that notification bell so you guys can stay notified every time I upload. My current upload schedule is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. I do upload every day. I have been for the past month or two, and I do try to have it scheduled to post at 10 a.m. Sometimes it goes up an hour or two later or later on in the night, but for the main part, it is at 10 a.m. Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, sis. I am trying to grind. You know, they say that to be successful, you need to have like 8 forms of income. I have 3. I have a full-time job in a warehouse. I have my nail business, and I'm grinding on YouTube. So I got 3 down out of 8. Let's see what else I can accomplish. I am very dedicated. I am a hard worker, and I'm like the friendliest person in the world. So 2020 is going to be our year. We are going to grind and we're going to be successful, and we're going to succeed in life. And I already feel it. I feel it in my soul. I feel it in my body, in my bones. And this highlight and this beat, I just feel it. So again, hit that notification bell to stay notified. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night, wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.